How to deactivate Messenger account. Let's get started. Launch your Messenger app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the chat section. Now at the top left corner you can find 3 bars. Click on it. Now click on the settings icon. You will land to the settings page. Now over here you're gonna find different options. Scroll all the way down. Head towards the section of Account Center. Click on it. Now open this option of Personal Details. Now navigate to this option of Account Ownership and Control. Click on this option of Deactivation or Deletion. As Messenger is a part of Facebook, Facebook will be also deactivated. So go ahead and click on your Facebook account. Now check in for the option of Deactivate Account. Deactivating your account is temporary. Your account and main profile will be deactivated and your name and photos will be removed from most things you have shared. You will be able to continue using Messenger. Click on Continue. Now type in your password over here and then click on Continue. Now over here you have to give a reason why do you want to deactivate your account. Select any of the valid reason and then click on Continue. Now go ahead and click on Continue. And just with that you have deactivated your Messenger account along with the Facebook. Well, this is how you can easily deactivate your Messenger account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.